Why you should learn to code now, before AI fully takes over. You've probably heard the saying, you don't need to know syntax, you just need to understand algorithms. But how can you truly grasp algorithms if you don't know how to write programs? This is where coding skills become essential. Learning to program is no longer optional. It's a critical skill in the age of AI. While artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries, those who understand how to build, control, and fine-tune these tools will always be in demand. AI is just that, a tool. And like any tool, its value depends on the skill of the user. Think back to when designers relied on paints and inks, or when farmers used cutlasses and hoes. As technology evolved, those with existing design or farming skills adapted quickly. They didn't start from zero, they simply transitioned. But those without foundational knowledge had to begin from scratch. Every wave of innovation is designed to make human work more efficient. AI is no different. The people who thrive are those who understand the fundamentals. So instead of stepping back in fear, take a step forward in preparation. Learn programming. Learn to code. Learn it now, while there's still time to lead, not just follow.